Welcome back, Solid Rock family. Now, in comes a special request, and this is a request requested from none other than Little Luciano 24. Big up yourself. He had requested, or they had requested, to play this tune, Dennis Brown, with a classic from his Inseparable album, a thing called Senorita. And we're not gonna do any long talking. We're gonna keep on walking and let your vibes out to this. Cool and easy. Yeah, cool and easy Tuesday today's, easy vibe. Alright, DB.
Muchas gracias, Senorita. ¿Qué pasa? I'm gonna give you more than you've ever bargained for. Oh yeah. I'm gonna give you more than you've ever thought about. Yeah, yeah. It's like saying, hola, hola, Cartagena. I love you truly. Said I love you truly. Love, I love you truly. Oh, yeah.
One of my favorite DB as well.
Senorita, say you'll be mine. I've been waiting a very long time for you.
Stranger in your town.
I'm a stranger here in your town. Don't know what's going down around me. All I know is to say, hola, 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 Cartagena. Means I love you truly. Said I love you truly. I love you truly. Oh, yeah. Means I love you truly. Said I love you truly. Love, I love you truly. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna give you more than you've ever bargained for. Oh, baby. I'm gonna give you more than you've ever thought about. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna give you more than you've ever thought about. Whoa, whoa, baby. Tell me sweet lies, Senorita, say you'll be mine. I've been waiting a very long time. Yeah. Muchas gracias, Senorita.
The one and only Dennis Brown with a thing called Senorita. When I heard this tune, I'm like, man, Dennis Brown really gone international, may I tell you, man, because I never expected this one, you know what I mean? But nonetheless, it's a nice tune, you know what I mean? Nice, easy back tune, you know. It put me in the mind of the vibes of it is like you can be in the tropics, in the mountains, Appalachian mountains, and relaxing, and a nice like a parakeet and parrots around, you know what I mean? Tropical parrots and tropical birds. I don't know. That's what my mind, when I listen to music, I see all kind of colors and pictures and visions and stuff, So it's a beautiful song, like I said, it was a request, and the request has been done. It was fun, and we're gonna keep the ball run. Alright? Anyway, so Little Luciano 24 Are you chewing that scene? Yeah. So we're gonna keep it functioning. And like, comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe. Yeah. Link up, link up, link up. And we're gonna keep the ball rolling. I'm gonna give you more than you've ever bargained for. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Yeah. To all the special ladies out there. Yeah, that tune is for y'all, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. That tune is definitely Senorita said you'll be mine. I've been waiting a very long time. Whoa, whoa, yeah.